How to increase music time on Snapchat photo. So let's begin. First, make sure that you are connected with the internet, and once connected with the internet, you need to open up your Snapchat application. After opening the application, you need to click on the picture icon. Here you need to click on camera rolls. As soon as you click on this particular option, you will then need to carefully scroll down and meticulously select any one specific picture. You should choose the precise picture to which you genuinely want to add some background music. Once you have successfully selected it, then you will have to click on the story option located right here. As soon as you click on the story option, the very first thing you will prominently see here is the dedicated music option. You absolutely need to click on this particular option. From this point, you can effortlessly add any kind of music you desire. I personally want to add a sound, so I will proceed to click on Add Sound, and from this very spot, I will add some brand new music. For example, I will thoughtfully add this specific music from here. After that, you will then need to click on this important timer option. Here, a duration of 10 seconds will be automatically selected by default. You should scroll down further and set it to infinity. As soon as you set it to infinity, a distinctive icon like this will prominently appear in front of you. After carefully setting it to infinity, you can add any sound or music you truly want. Once you've successfully added it, when you send it, the chosen music will be seamlessly added to your photo story. So that was today's comprehensive video. I sincerely hope you thoroughly liked this informative video. If you did, please kindly like this video, thoughtfully subscribe to our channel, and absolutely don't forget to press the bell icon for notifications.